Hey guys, my name's Amy and I'm going to be showing you how to create a glamorous Ursula look with the products that you have at home. Firstly, I begin by blocking out my eyebrows with a Pritt stick, then brushing them flat with a spoolie brush. I then go in with a P. Louise concealer and a flat brush to cover them. After this, I'm then going in with a talcum powder and a dry beauty blender to set them. Using a light purple sans serif face paint and a wet face paint sponge, I pat the product all over my face down to my shoulders. I would normally use a grease paint for this, especially to cover my brows, but I am limited on products at the moment due to the current pandemic. I am then going to use a white face paint to highlight all of the high points of my face, like my cheekbones and above my jaw. Here I'm using a small face paint brush and a black paint to draw on a thin set of eyebrows above where my natural brow would be. Using a small packer brush and a black eyeshadow, I'm just mapping out the highest set of eyelids that I want, going up to my natural brow. I will then go in with a fluffy brush to gently blend out the harsh lines. Using a flat brush, I'm going back in with my concealer to carve out the new eyelids so that I have a fresh base for my eyeshadow. I'm using a bright shimmery blue eyeshadow and packing this on top of the concealer. Using a small packer brush again, I'm using a dark blue to define underneath my eyes. Here I'm blending out the edges of the blue eyeshadow with a black shadow just to add some definition. Moving on to my chest, I'm defining my collarbones, neck and breast with a dark purple eyeshadow. Next, I'm applying a thin layer of mascara to my top and bottom lashes and applying a thin layer of lash glue to repair thick eyelashes. I'm then going in with a fluffy brush and some dark purple eyeshadow again that I used on my chest and defining my cheekbones and my nose. Once the lashes are tacky, I then applied them to my upper lash line. Next, I'm setting the high parts of my face with talcum powder and a dry beauty blender, making sure to press into my skin. While this is baking, I'm using MAC's Ruby Woo lipstick to fill in my lips and slightly overline, topping it off with a red lip gloss from Max Factor. I use black paint to draw Ursula's famous beauty spot. I'm then going in with a yellowy gold sans serif face paint to draw her shell necklace onto my chest. Then outlining it in black and drawing the features in. I'm then drawing two black lines around my neck for the chain. Next, I'm outlining the top of her strapless dress and filling it in with a black paint. Again, highlighting the high points of my face and body with a white powder. Here I'm backcombing the life out of my hair with a prestige brush to create her signature updo, Then going in with hairspray and dry shampoo to lighten it, although this didn't work on the dark parts of my hair, so I improvised and went in with talcum powder on the rest to create the white effect. I then pin the hair back with hair grips and clips to hold it away from my face. And that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed and stay tuned for the next video.